As we open the door to mystery and suspense, we see a light at the end of the hallway. The steady thump is not an unseen entity in the walls. It is your own heart beating. Come further and be enveloped in the light of Schlock Shock Radio. Collect the clues and prepare yourself for Fright Train Act 4 by the pale blue moon. More and more clues appear, but no suspects. Williams, the train's conductor, has no choice but conclude that Joe and Shaw are to blame. Meanwhile, time has passed, and the porter has gathered all the passengers to a single car to inform them of what has transpired. Meanwhile, Joe and Shaw are lying in another compartment, once again immobile. This time they lie on their bellies, with hands and feet bound behind their backs.
What's the idea of leaving us in here for hours? We're starving.
We're all starving. I've been spending all my time worrying about this train and its passengers.
Did you talk to a sheriff? What did he say?
They agreed with me holding you. Said this isn't the first murder they've seen in this fashion. In fact, they believe you two are the Lobos boys. Granted, one of you is a woman. You two the Lobos boys?
Of course not.
No, I know you're not.
What do you mean?
It's hard for people like us. We're always lurking in the shadows. Nobody understands us. People fear us. We're really not that different. Just like you, we need to eat.
We're good. I told the passengers about Miss Tate and Mr. Shaw.
You told them everything?
Of course.
Told them what?
That you and Miss Tate confessed, of course.
But we're not.
No, but we are.
What? You killed him?
We have to eat.
Shut the hell up. I'm the one talking.
Sorry, Big Bub.
It's almost time.
For what?
You are both so lucky. You can eat whenever you're hungry, but we can't. We must wait until it's time.
Start making sense, damn it. What the hell are you talking about?
You really are a moron, aren't you?
Baby brother, look. It's almost time.
Yes, Big Bub. The moon. It rises.
You sure everything is taken care of?
Our other brothers have everything under control.
If you kill us, the other passengers will find out.
Oh no. We're not just going to kill you. We're all so hungry. Tonight, we feast.
So what about the dead man? Was he a pre-course meal?
That was because of my baby brother.
I got hungry. The moon let me have a little. Here it comes.
I can feel it.
Joe, they're changing. They have the devil in them.
Werewolf!
You're crazy, that's just blarney.
Shaw, I have my gun, but I can't reach it.
My hands are tied too.
You have to somehow get the gun from my garter.
My hands are tied. I can't get unless I use my head to... I can't do that.
Damn it, Shaw. Get that gun. Drop it on the floor.
Sorry, Miss Tate.
It only has one shot.
I have it. I need to roll over. Hold still.
Ah! You almost blew my hands off.
I shot the rope. You're free.
Got it. Now what? Oh my god! They're growing snouts.
Grab their guns. Shoot them. You did it. You killed them.
But those weren't silver bullets.
What? Here, get me untied.
There. I hear screaming.
Quick, the others are attacking the passengers. Hand me a gun.
There you go. Yours has 6. Mine has 4.
All right, let's be careful. Kill the werewolves, and then we need to start this train.
Hey, this is exciting, isn't it?
I'm definitely not overwhelmed. Oh, and Joe?
Shaw,
Those are some mighty hellfire knickers.
watch it, Shaw.
Quiet now. You okay?
Down to 3 rounds.
Everyone in this compartment is dead.
Not everyone. It's Eli, the insurance man.
Please, I can't find my hands.
I'm sorry, friend. 5.
Poor bastard.
On to the next compartment.
Wait, what is that?
Oh shit, it's dynamite.
Dynamite? They're gonna blow the train?
Makes sense. After they had their fill, they were gonna blow the train.
Why didn't anyone shoot them? Like I did, when they started changing.
That's a really good point. Aha! Here we go.
My lord, must be 20 pistols in here.
Alright, grab what you can. We're heading to the engine. We kill everything that's evil and clean this train out.
Fright Train Act 4. With characters and situations created by Stephen Snowden, Fright Train Act 4 starred Scott Gliney as Shaw, Stephanie Lafferty as Josephine Tate, Nathan Pensonolt as the Porter, Steve Long as Eli Wallace, and Stephen Snowden as James Williams. Music by Matt Meindl. Fright Train is a production of Schlock Shock Radio, copyright 2013. This is Sean P. Metty. Until next time, stay out of the dark.